Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are going to first factorize by grouping an algebraic expression, right? Then, tapping on that factorization, evaluate a numeral expression. Okay? So let's see how does this work. So for part A, when we want to factorize this particular expression here, step 1, of course, I see 4 terms. I'm going to factorize by grouping. So I will see that the common factor is x. I'm left with y plus a. Common factor is a, and I'm left with y plus a. And so I will then be able to factorize out the y plus a. And I'm left with x plus a as the other bracket. Now part B, they require us to do this. They require us to use the above expansion or factorization. So right, my first step is to see and observe. Okay, and I do see similarities. Okay, I do see that if I were to break this up into 2 groups, I saw that for part B, I could rewrite 89 times 83 plus 89 times 17, right? As taking out the 89 out, and I'm left with 83 plus 17. I could take the 17 out as a common factor, and I'm left with 83 plus 17 as well. So you can then see that this 83 plus 17 will be as such, and I'm left with 89 plus 17, which is in the same vein as part A, factorization, right? And for your info, 83 plus 17 is a very easy number to add. It corresponds to 100 times, and 89 plus 17 will be 106. So final answer, 10,600. Alright, with that we've come to the end of this example, and let's move on to more examples that require us to factorize by grouping.